Seabass all'acqua pazza is a classic of Italian cuisine, particularly appreciated for its simplicity and the freshness of its ingredients. Originating from coastal regions, this dish is characterized by cooking the fish in a light broth made of water, white wine, cherry tomatoes, and Mediterranean aromas like garlic, parsley, and chili pepper. The result is a delicate yet flavorful main course, perfect for a healthy and refined meal. Ingredients: 2 whole gutted sea bass, 200 grams of cherry tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 glass of dry white wine, 1 glass of water, extra virgin olive oil, fresh parsley, salt, chili pepper, optional. Preparation: start by making sure the sea bass are well gutted. Wash them under cold running water to remove any impurities and pat them dry with kitchen paper. Wash the cherry tomatoes, cut them in half, and set aside. Peel the garlic cloves and slightly crush them with the flat side of a knife to release their aroma better. In a large pan, heat 3 or 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil over medium heat and add the garlic cloves. Let them soften lightly, being careful not to burn them. If you like, add a whole or crushed chili pepper for a touch of spiciness. Otherwise, proceed directly to adding the chopped cherry tomatoes. Pour a glass of dry white wine into the pan and allow the alcohol to evaporate for a few minutes. Add a glass of water and bring the liquid to a boil. Season with salt to taste. Reduce the heat to medium-low and gently lay the sea bass in the pan. Cover with a lid and let cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, turning them halfway through to ensure even cooking. Check if the fish is cooked by gently piercing it with a fork. If the flesh is white and flakes easily, the sea bass is ready. Transfer the sea bass with the cherry tomatoes and cooking sauce to a serving plate. Garnish with plenty of fresh chopped parsley and serve immediately. Curiosities. The origin of the term all'acqua pazza is uncertain, but it is thought to derive from the fact that fishermen prepared this dish with what they had available, a mixture of seawater and wine. If you want to add a personal touch to the recipe, you can include pitted black olives or capers for an even more Mediterranean flavor.